Hi, welcome back to Cooking It Up with your host, Stacia Gates. Now today, it's a beautiful sunny California day and I love springtime, so I thought I'd go outside and make a little special lunch for one of my dear friends. So we're going to try to eat healthy because we're trying to get in shape for summertime. Swimsuits are coming, oh no. Okay, so what I want to do is mix some batter. This is Heart Smart Bisquick batter, and it's very healthy, it's soy-free, and it makes very good pancakes. But it also makes something I like to call zucchini pancakes, so we feel a little healthier that way, and we don't have syrup and butter on them. Okay, so this is what we're going to use, and the directions here, I don't know if you can see, but we zoom in a little bit. So it's pretty simple. It's 2 cups of the Bisquick. It's 1 1/4 cups of, it says fat-free milk, but I like to use 2%. You know, I just do. I know it'll be healthier that way, but I like my milk, so there we go. And then 1 egg, and then we put it all together in this. And we mix, okay? So we get that all mixed up. It only takes a couple of minutes, but here we go. We're gonna take a zucchini and we're gonna shred it up. Oh no. It's springtime and it's going to be windy again. Oh no, remember what happened last time. Okay, so we take a full zucchini, a pretty, you know, a good sized zucchini, and we shred it. And we're gonna add that zucchini in here, okay? We're just gonna dump that in there. Give it a little more. Just make sure we get all of that zucchini in there like that. And we're gonna mix that up, okay? We're gonna mix it all together like this. Okay, it only takes a couple of minutes to do this. And then I have my trusty grill. I know, remember what happened last time with the egg, but listen, it turned out well. So we're gonna give it another shot. You know, I think it's gonna be okay. All right, we're gonna take a ladle. And we're gonna scoop just like you would. Pouring out of this is an option, but I think it might make a difference to it. So we're gonna pour onto the grill. Like so, nice and slow. Make a couple of these. Nice and slow. Start to cook. Alright, there we go. Okay, we'll do 2 more. Very good. All right, it's time to flip the cakes. So there we go. Look at that. See, our little grill did a good job. Let's give it one more second or 2. Yeah, just maybe a second or 2 more. Okay, here we go. There we are. Look at how beautiful those are. Hey, those are perfect little zucchini pancakes. Okay, so we're almost ready to plate. All right, we're ready to plate our pancakes. So that's 2 on each plate. All right. Now you can always, hold on, this is the problem with being outside sometimes. You have leaves and things flying around. Okay, and there we go. All right, now what we're gonna do is, let me turn this off. Down. Okay. Now, what we want to do is top these off with some beautiful avocado and a little sour cream. So we're going to take the sour cream like so. Okay, and we're just going to put a little dab in the center. All right. Now, you can use a light sour cream. This is regular. I know light would have been much better, but family likes the regular, so I like to keep that on hand. Okay, so now we're going to take our avocado. Look at how beautiful that avocado is. It's lovely, isn't it? top there. Right. Oh goodness, my mouth is watering here. Let's put a little more on this one. Okay, I mean, if you're like me, I could just sit and eat avocado. But we don't want to do that. Okay, we also would like to serve a fresh radish. These are so beautiful in the market. They're so big. Look at how lovely they are. They've gotten a little dry just from sitting out here, but look how beautiful those radishes. So I want to do this. Voila! Also, wonderful for your dessert, these wonderful green grapes. Look at those. This whole thing came in a container for $5 at the market right now. And these are beautiful. And they taste really good too. I have tried them. Now, you might want to serve a little drink with this. What I suggest is some lemon or grapefruit water. All right, we're trying to go healthy. So we will just pour a little water into the little glass. Look at my mouth. I've always got my mouth watering when I eat this stuff. Okay, so there we go. This is really simple. It's really nice. You have your friend over for lunch and you whip this up and you sit out on the patio or in the garden and you enjoy these wonderful, look, zucchini pancakes. Don't they look appetizing? They certainly do to myself. I think I'd like to put maybe a little radish or two on here. Okay, so there you are. So thank you for tuning in again, and we're going to be baking some cookies soon. Oh, don't get me started on the cookies. I love them. Bikini time. Okay, anyway, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon.